There is this computer, this Asus Sonic Master. You can see here. Now it has a challenge that if you switch on, the battery has a tendency of disconnecting. So I want to solve this issue, and the issue is solved by I want to check whether the battery is really well connected. So what I'll do is, I want to remove all these screws. You can see I've not removed them. I've already removed them, but I show you have to remove all these ones. The Sonic Master, this one is stuck, so I've loosened it, but it is not coming out, so I have to leave it. And then I now go to open it. So it is a good practice, if you're opening, you don't use sub things, you just use things that are simple. So you can see I'm doing this, and I have to open it, and you can feel the sound. So I will continue until all the parts are completely opened. It is somehow becoming tough, but I have to maintain so that I use zero force. So while I'm seeing it, I can first take this side, because I've made some resistance. Oh, there was a screw here, and it was causing difficulty opening. There was a screw here that was kept, so I have to remove it. Now that is loosened, you can see the Sonic Master. Soon to open it, and you can hear how the Sonic Master is making sound. And then I have to also remove here. Seems there is still some screw that is not opened. Yeah, there's one here, and this is not a good practice. You must make sure you remove all the screws, because you can damage the computer. So now that I've removed it, I've removed all the screws. Now the Sonic Master, please be careful, because you can break some things. So that thing goes off, and there's the keyboard. I think you're seeing the keyboard. Then I detach it. Now I have completely opened the Sonic Master. Now I'm going to, you can see the inside. Yeah, could be the camera. Here's the hard disk. This is the fan has some dust. And now this is the battery. So the owner of the battery was complaining that there is an issue with his battery. So I can show him that actually your battery, this thing, the battery is fixed from here. So you can see how his battery is. It is actually in a sorry state because it seems it broke down, and this battery is open. So there is nothing I can do because the pins are well fixed, and the issue could be on this joint. You see the joint? Here, these two batteries that are open. I suspect that is where the issue is. So sometimes I think these ones get disconnected because I didn't have anything to do with the battery. I've been working on this computer, but I don't always tamper with the battery. I just open, remove this part, and that is all I do. So that means I have to inform this client that he actually needs to get a new battery because it seems this joint is the one that always disconnects and causes problems. And as me as a technician, I am not licensed to do motherboard repairs and to do soldering on the board because I have not done my practice. I mainly do minor hardware repairs, but I'm certified for all software problems, all software issues. I handle them. There is nothing I can fail to do on the software. If anything software related, I do. But things involving motherboard and chip repairs, I'm still getting skill, and I am still on the initial stages of developing it. So now if I had to care for my fan, for this fan, you can see I don't have a brush now, but it needs to be blown. But the hard disk is in a good state. So only that this thing needs some screws. Let me check here. Yeah, it is already tied. So I don't know whether it is tied from out, tied from inside. It is tied from here. You see these two things, they tie the hard disk, so it is tied from outside. And that's all I can show you about this. But if I want to test about this switch, this computer has the switch on the keyboard, so it is very difficult to test, though we can still test it minus tying. But I found the problem is because the battery is open. So subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep updating you on computer repair and maintenance. Yeah, I am ready to share knowledge. This is Afri Tech Innovation Solutions, and this is your technician, host Dennis. So wish you all the best, and we meet in the next coming series of repairing computers and printers. And I was working on Asus Sonic Master. It has a Seagate 500 GB hard disk, and it has a PCB made in China. Yeah, Asus. Yeah, so let me look at you about another thing. This fan of yours is always fixed from here. So any day you feel that your fan, you start a computer and say the fan is not working, and you really feel the fan is not moving, so what you do is the fan could be not be moving because of paper that is stuck there or dust. So if you check there's no paper, then you blow like this one, dust is accumulating, so with time it will need dusting. These are the speakers. You can see the speakers where they are. This is one, this is two, and these are your ports. The RAM slots are down here, so I don't want to remove them. This is your graphics card. This Asus takes only one connector. It doesn't have another connector. It's a queer computer. Other computers have two connectors, the main and the ground, but this one has only one main. So we meet next time. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.